Michelle Sohan of Bakery Treatz, and I'm here at Dwellings to get my Christmas shopping done. Let's go see what exciting things they have. Oh, this is nice. This is a tree dish, and it's perfect if I put some cheesecake truffles on it for my little sister. You know, it's always so hard to shop for them, but this will be a beautiful gift, and then she could use it afterwards. I can see her putting her earrings and chains and stuff on it. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Alright, so I can't complete my shopping without buying something for myself, and I just found the most perfect present for me, to me. Everyone knows that I love tea and elephants, and I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. So this one is for me. This would be perfect for my bigger sister. She loves flowers and arranging stuff, and this base is amazing. The geometric style, the flowers look so real. I think I just got one less down now for my presents. Oh, this area reminds me of our little sitting area at home. And this Buddha actually would make a really perfect present for my fiancé. It's lovely and it's a nice size. So I think this is going to be his present for Christmas, for sure. So I must say that I'm so excited and so relieved that Dwellings has so many different things that I'm actually able to get a present for each of the special people in my life. I looked at this one because it's so nice, it's unique, it actually contains measuring cups. And my niece is coming home for Christmas, so I'm going to do cookies with her for Santa. And when we're done, there's this lovely present here, so we can put the cookies on the platter. And if she happens to put almond milk in this, then I'll be her secret Santa this Christmas. I'm so excited I took the time today to come down to Dwellings. The variety of stuff has been amazing, and the shopping experience has been fantastic. I got something for everyone on my list, so with that out of the way, I can now enjoy the rest of the season. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.